or 2 dates na?
Yung date mismo, hindi ko alam eh. Paano ba? There were some kasi na parang... siguro we would get really close, alam mo yun. Pag super lapit ka rin, namely the hospital. Because parang yun yung eksena ni Althea at Jade na parang, alam mo yun, yung gusto na talaga nila. Gusto na talaga nila mag-kiss. Pero, may spy. Pero may pumasok na spy. First Hopia. Ano pa ba? Well, so far yun pa lang naman. Other accidents naman. Yung other accidents, yung hindi connected sa case. More on, mga personal bloopers namin pagka... Weird nga nagkaka-bloopers kami kapag crying scene. Kasi pag medyo intense, mo yun, yung hindi na namin naiisip itsura namin. Basta I don't wanna explain it kasi parang nakakahiya eh. Wala nang hiya. Basta parang may mga nangyayari na alam mo yun, pag nawawapoys kami. Tapos, diba? Yung pagka super ugly crying. And then, basta, there are just things na you don't want people to see on television. When you do things with your face. I don't want to talk about it. Yung hospital, yun lang.
Actually, hindi to question, pero may isa lang kaming favor.
Oh, what's that?
Yung paper bag. Paper bag, Denise.
You brought something? Oh, thank you. Dude, thank you.
Di ba?
Prepared.
Meron.
Who's this from? Is this for Liza?
Yes, pero...
Meron din.
Shirt kasi siya.
Oh!